hell is that?
How's it going, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm Fred with 1320 Video.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I walking through the pits, I see this little bitty car with these big tires and like of course all the screws out of it.
Yeah.
What am I looking at here? What is it?
So this is a 1988 Yugo GV, and it's got a LS53 in it.
Really?
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That is the coolest LS swap I think I've ever heard of.
Yeah.
What's the setup under the hood other than it's LS53? Naturally aspirated? You got
Yep, naturally aspirated. We're spraying it with nitrous. That's pretty much it. Weighs 2,200 pounds with me in it.
Jesus.
And yeah, it's just a street car.
Just a street car.
Ultimate sleeper.
What kind of ETs are you running with it?
Out here, the fastest I've run is a 7.9 at a little over 100 miles an hour with it.
That's moving.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Out, so that leaves Jacob Lecco taking it with an ET of 8.587 and 80.79. Lane 1, Jacob, with an ET of 9.10 and 86.75 miles an hour.
Yeah, right? Yeah,
man.
Good deal.
Trophy wall.
Good deal.
Yeah. Congrats, man.
Thank you very much.
It's freaking awesome.
Thank you.
You still got one more class?
Yep. Yeah. Now we're gonna spray it, so.
Oh!
Yep.
You turn on nitrous.
Yep.
Yeah. And then this next class you'll run is be balls out.
Yep. So.
What class is it?
Ultimate Street.
Ultimate Street, gotcha.
Yep. So hopefully we'll get over 100 again today.
Well, good luck to you, man.
Thank you very much.
Alright, man, second class of the day. Who's your competition in this class?
The guy right next to me is, we're 4 points away for first.
Really?
Yeah, so it's gonna come down to hopefully me going more rounds than him.
There you go.
So,
are you racing him first round?
Nope, I'm racing the truck first round.
Gotcha. Well, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good race.
You think you're about to go drag racing, like for real, like on the street tonight with this thing?
I would love to.
Put the street tires stuff on.
Put the street tires back on her.
All right, so you won the one class, but you didn't quite make it in the second class.
Nope. But
did it feel a lot better with the nitrous on it?
Oh yeah, the fastest mile an hour and ET.
What's your ET on that one?
A low, almost 7.8. So
7.8
at 101.
That sounds sketchy in this thing.
No, it is.
Especially with your teeny tiny little steering wheel. I don't know how you drive with that thing, to be honest with you. That looks sketchy.
It's like a go-kart.
Well, thanks for letting us film the car, man. Good luck with it in the future.
Thank you.
Absolutely.